Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer smart thermostat location privacy settings, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, locate your smart thermostats app on your smartphone or tablet. Open the app and sign in to your account if prompted. Navigate to the settings menu, usually represented by a gear icon. Find the section labeled location or privacy settings. Click on this section to access your location preferences. Here, you will see options related to location sharing and privacy. If you wish to disable location sharing, toggle the switch to the off position. If you prefer to adjust specific location settings, look for options that allow you to customize permissions. Select the device for which you want to change the location settings. You may be prompted to confirm your choice, follow any on-screen instructions. After making your adjustments, ensure to save any changes before exiting the menu. Next, check the main settings of your smart thermostat for any additional location preferences. If available, review the terms related to location tracking and sharing. Once satisfied with your settings, exit the app. To ensure your changes are applied, restart your smart thermostat. Check the thermostat display to confirm that your location settings have updated. For added security, periodically review your location privacy settings as software updates may change these options. By following these steps, you can effectively manage the location privacy settings of your smart thermostat. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.